It's March, and I went out in the forest to photograph some plants and some animals, but at this time camouflaged. And now, let's start with the video. I hope you enjoy. Before I went into the forest, I first had to camouflage myself. I took out my camouflage suit and put it on. Since it was quite warm that day, I was only wearing shorts, and then I headed into the forest. First, I slowly walked to the spot where I often go when I'm camouflaged, as I have often seen some deers on the field at the spot because you're better camouflaged by the trees. I also saw many birds that day, and now you see everything I photographed. So I'm back without camouflaged, and it was a very nice photo tour because I saw lots of birds, and I captured this also on the GoPro, which I don't wear at the moment. And yes, but there's actually another thing what I want to photograph today, and these are these plants. I show you quick. They are called Märzenbecher in Germany, and they are very beautiful. So we can photograph them like from this position, and I'll show you some behind the scenes how I captured them, and then I show you the pictures. So I actually need to lay down on the ground, so to get a nice photo and a nice position, and I think we can do that. So I'm in a very not comfortable position, but I get some very nice pictures. I show you. it's like this picture, and I think it's very beautiful. So yeah, but for these pictures we need to get like low down, and we need to get a low position to capture this. And yeah, and I think we can make another photo because there are very much plants here, and I want a white background. That would be very awesome. And yeah, maybe we can get it, but yeah, we need to try it out. And yeah, I think we do that.